Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these boho box braids, aka crinkly braids, like how I used to do them back in the day, just with more left out. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I use, the type of hair that I use, and just talk a little bit. I'll insert the time where you guys can fast forward if you just want to get straight to the tutorial. So I use the Hollywood hair, and I use the colors 27 and the color 27, 4, and 30. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is what the packaging looks like if you guys are trying to find it at the beauty supply store. So I used 4 of the mixed colored hair, which is basically the brown and the brown with a little bit of blonde in it. And then I used 2 packs of the blonde, just regular. Now with the blonde pack, I used I would take some of the blonde hair and just mix it in with the brown hair, just to kind of like utilize more of the hair, because I did think I was gonna run out in the end. So in total, I ended up using 6 packs of hair, and these aren't small. These are probably like medium-sized braids. No, I do not know how many braids. This took me about 8 hours. And I would have to say it wasn't that bad. It didn't seem like it took that long. Now, I know a lot of people do the bohemian box braids a different way, and I actually was basing this off of a tutorial I saw on Natural Nisi's channel where her friend was doing her hair, and I thought that that was more easier because I actually did try and find the hair to like leave out, but I couldn't find it to match this, so I was just like, whatever. It would still come out looking good anyway. So what I did was I just braided my hair. There's some pieces where I braided it all the way down like so, but I braided my hair probably like up to here, and then I left it out. And then with the leave out, that's where I braided it, and that's why it's like crinkly, and honestly, it gives you the same effect to me, honestly. The only part that it's missing is the parts that are like curly and left out at the top. But I love my braids. Like, I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier, but these are so cute. So yeah, that's it for my rambling. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So first I'm gonna start off by blow drying my hair because I like to start off with stretched hair for some reason. After I do that, I'm gonna go in with my jam, and I'm just gonna be applying that to my roots just to kind of give it some moisture. Now, I did already previously do a video on how I prep my hair for box braids, but this is just gonna give some shine to my roots. I'm gonna take my comb and just part that down the middle, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the braiding hair with my hair, and then just start braiding all the way down. Well, not all the way down. You guys are gonna see when I stop. I'm just going to be repeating these steps until I'm finished with my braids, and then I'm going to move on to show you guys how I get it crinkly at the ends. Okay, so this is as far as I'm going to braid it down, and then I'm going to gather some other pieces and then just put in a big braid like this. So this part that is left out is going to be wavy, and that's why the braid is there. So once you dip them in the water and take them out, it will be wavy on the ends. Okay guys, so this is my hair finished with all of my braids, and now I am just going to go dip my hair in the water, the boiling water, and I'll be back to take them out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave me some thumbs up, please. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.